Hey wood stove lovers, ready to keep that heat in and the cold out? First grab your tools, a new fiberglass gasket, glue, gloves, and safety glasses. Start by opening the wood stove door and removing it if possible. Place the door on a flat surface. Then start to remove the gasket. Use a flat screwdriver and wire brush to remove any of the old glue. Next, measure the length of the door gasket you're going to use. Make sure you have it plenty long. Then measure the gap that the gasket's going to sit in to make sure you have the correct diameter. Now here's where we recommend installing the door gasket dry. Don't glue it in at first. Push it around the way you think it ought to be. And once you're satisfied with how it's positioned, cut it to size. Now this quick extra step will save you time and aggravation. Before you glue the gasket in, reinstall the door and try it for a proper fit. Now that the gasket's positioned where you want it, we recommend pulling up little parts of the gasket at a time and putting a thin layer of glue in the groove, pushing it down each time as you go. Work your way around the door, making sure that it fits snugly. Don't put too much in. You don't want it oozing out the edges. Now when you get to the end, I recommend putting a little glue on the tips of the rope to hold it down. Now put the door back on and try its fit. Close the door and let it sit for a few hours. And that's it. You just made your wood stove more efficient. Don't forget to check your gasket every season for wear and tear. Enjoy the warmth.